In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in DaVinci Resolve without losing quality. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to use so your video looks crisp while keeping file sizes reasonable, especially for vertical content. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop. Open an existing project you want to export or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Make sure your timeline is set and you can see your edit on the timeline so the export will reflect your final cut. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the interface and click the gear icon to open Project Settings. This is where we'll confirm the core resolution settings before exporting. Under Master Settings, check the box labeled Use Vertical Resolution. This automatically flips your resolution from 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920, which is perfect for portrait videos destined for platforms like Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. If your footage was shot horizontally, you may want to preview your framing in the timeline to ensure key subjects stay centered in the new orientation. Now, head to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. This is the tab with the rocket icon, and it's where all export options live. We'll use a few custom settings here to keep excellent quality without bloated files. For format, choose MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 is the most universally compatible and a safe default for uploading or sharing. QuickTime can be helpful in Apple-centric workflows, but will still give you great results with the same codecs. For the video codec, select H.265 for more efficiency, or H.264 for maximum compatibility. H.265 can deliver the same visual quality at a smaller file size, which is great for uploads, but some older devices and editors may prefer H.264. If you're unsure, H.264 is a reliable choice. If you need smaller files with the same look, go H.265. Confirm that your resolution is set to 1080 by 1920 HD. This matches the vertical setting we enabled earlier and helps avoid scaling that could soften your image. Keeping resolution consistent from timeline to export is a simple way to preserve sharpness. Switch to the Audio tab and make sure the codec is AAC. AAC is the modern standard for compressed audio and strikes an ideal balance of clarity and size, so your sound stays clean without unnecessary overhead. When everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue. Your job will appear on the right side, ready to go. That's it. Those settings will help you export from Resolve without losing quality while keeping your files efficient and upload-friendly.